Hi everyone, welcome to Mr. Queen PH, and in today's reading we will see what blessings are coming to you in the next 6 months. Since this is a general reading, it may not resonate for all of you, but if you want to consult with a personal advisor which can give you individualized reading, I highly recommend my new discovery, which is also the sponsor of this video, Psychic Source. Psychic Source is the most trusted psychic service in the industry with over 35 years of experience. They provide intuitive guidance that is available and accessible to anyone through their community of professional and gifted advisors. You can connect with them at your most comfortable way, whether it's through a phone call, video chat, or text chat. What I like about them is they are committed to hope, healing, and empowerment. And on top of that, they back their service with a no-risk guarantee and donate 1% of the purchases to charity at no extra cost. I recently had a reading with an advisor from Psychic Source. Her name is Venus, and I asked her a lot of questions about my career, my kids, and even my love life. And I'm so impressed with her accuracy that really helped me with a major decision that I had to make. And I also gained clarity with my future plans. Now here's the good news. I'm excited to share that Psychic Source is giving an extra special discount to new customers from my channel. This is the best and highest value promotion in the industry, and other psychic brands don't even close. Just go to trypsychicsource.com/MrQueen and use my code MrQueen to try up to 40 minutes with an advisor for just $19.80. That is up to $240 value. 40 minutes will allow you to talk to multiple advisors, and you don't have to use all the minutes in one session. This can help you maximize your time and make the best connection. You can also call the number on the screen to get a reading or scan this QR code to easily access the website. Again, that's trypsychicsource.com/MrQueen, or click the link on my description to connect with an advisor anytime, anywhere. Thank you so much, Psychic Source, for this opportunity. Now, let's go to your reading. Okay, Virgo, let's see what are the blessings coming to you in the next 6 months from the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to. So, let's see, Virgo. Desert. So, for some of you, isa sa blessing na matatanggap ninyo ay yung pagiging adaptable, yung pagiging resilient. No? Ano ba yun? Ibig sabihin yan, kahit may challenge sa buhay mo, kaya-kaya mong gawa ng paraan. Kaya-kaya mong lumusot. Oo. Kaya-kaya mong solusyonan. Because you have the things that you need. You have this adaptability skills, no? Unshakable well-being. Lakas ng loob rin na meron ka. Let's see what else. You also have storm. Ang storm, this is about transition. Pagbabago. Okay? So, having that change na meron, na may experience ninyo in the next 6 months, meron kang lakas. Actually, halos pareho siya ng desert at ng storm. Because this is about you transitioning to a new phase ng buhay mo, a new chapter ng buhay mo. And diba kapag merong bagyo, no? Kasi storms like bagyo. So, after ng storm, merong bagong pag-asa for you that you're able to meron kang nakayanan mo na makarecover from that challenge, 'di ba? You have that resilience that you need, kasi hindi lahat ng tao ay kayang harapin yung mga problema nila. Yung iba, tinatakasan nila yung problema nila, o kaya naman pinapasa nila sa iba. So for you, you have that strength na meron ka para solusyonan yung sarili mong challenge sa buhay. And syempre, sino ba ang matututo dyan? Ikaw, 'di ba? Sino yung magkakaroon ng kakayanan, ng abilities? Ikaw, dahil sa experience na naranasan mo. You also have Sage. Sage is about protection. This is about cleansing. So, yung iba sa inyo, you are cleansing your energies, you are purifying your energies. Isa sa blessing sa inyo is, meron mga taong tatanggalin sa buhay mo, or even situation sa buhay mo na hindi na nakakatulong for you. Na para sa iba sa inyo, it may present to you as a storm, okay? challenge, pagsubok. Let's say for example, merong tao sa buhay mo na alam mong toxic siya or someone na hindi na talaga nakakabuti for you. So, yan yung pagkakaroon ng ending, separation with this person. Maaring isipin mo na isa siyang malaking pagsubok, pero kakayanin mo, makakayanan mo, nalagpasan yun. At after mong malagpasan yon, you feel clean, feeling mo na purify ka, na-release yung negative energy sa paligid mo because of this situation, because of this change na na-experience mo. So it's basically para siyang blessing in disguise na ipipresenta sa'yo sa una pagsubok. Pero after ng pagsubok, marirealize mo na, kaya pala pinagdaanan ko yon. Kasi you are transitioning, you are transforming to a new chapter of your life. Na kung saan mas maayos, mas peaceful. Okay, let's see what else you have. Justice. Oh my God, this is karma, this is balance in your life. Equality. So if you have kung merong mga bagay na hindi nagiging in control sa buhay mo or maayos sa buhay mo in the past, in the next 6 months, kayang-kaya mo na siyang i-handle. Kayang-kaya mo na siyang panagutan. Kayang-kaya mo na yung mga responsibilities. And also, in even yung decision making mo, you will have the discernment, the knowledge, the skill to make a bold move or a decision. You have the King of Wands, so you are going to be motivated in the next 6 months. Ano man yung ipupurso mo sa buhay, I see you na mas nagiging mataas yung standards mo. You are leveling up kasi nga nanggaling ka na sa mga pagsubok at alam mo na kung ano yung dinideserve mo, alam mo rin yung hindi. So you are setting your standards. Wow, you have the Six of Wands. This is about victory. You are gaining a lot of attention, Virgo. So in the next 6 months, itong attention na matatanggap mo, meron siyang kapalit na parang may kapalit siya na blessing. So say for example, ikaw ay naging kilala, famous sa social media as a content creator. So syempre, pag meron ka ng certain following, famous ka na, yung mga opportunities like partnerships, brand partnerships, promotion, sponsorship, darating sa'yo. And that will make you become successful in your field. So, another field lang naman yan. Pwede rin yan sa career path mo na mas napapakita mo yung iyong talento, yung abilities mo sa trabaho at napapansin ka at mas nare-reward ka. Wow! Ang ganda naman. So, you have the Star. This is about wish fulfillment. So, in the next 6 months, isa sa blessing mo ay yung matagal mo nang hinihiling. Marireceive mo na. So, this can be in any areas of life. So, some of you, this is 11th house talaga. Hopes and dreams ninyo, this can be any dream. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, gusto nyong maging sikat or gusto nyong magkaroon kayo ng recognition or become successful in your field of work or area of work. This is also about healing. So, some of you, kung kayo ay may health issues, in the next 6 months, you will be able to recover. You will soon enter into a beneficial partnership, luck and longevity. Bless this union. So, yung iba sa inyo, this can be a business partnership or relationship, romantic relationship na magiging beneficial para sa inyo. At itong relationship na to ay magtatagal. The time is right to access and master your abilities. Do so with humility and control. Yes. So, in the next 6 months, meron kang ima-master na knowledge, meron kang ima-master na skills, na i-recognize ka ng nakararami ng tao, ng mga nasasakupan mo, at masasabi nila na, uy, yan si Virgo, yan yung expert sa field na yan. So, para magkakaroon ka ng certain authority in that area or in that field. You also have find comfort and balance in simple ways. You have support all around you. Wow. So, I think with the 11th house energy rito, this is about yung community. So, you will be supported by the community or the people na naniniwala sa visions mo, naniniwala sa kakayanan mo. You have the support all around you. And also, bringing balance into your life na kahit na meron kang mga pananagutan or meron kang mga responsibilities, kayang-kaya mo siyang i-manage, kayang-kaya mong panindigan, kayang-kaya mong i-work out, kayang-kaya mong ayusin, kayang-kaya mo siya. Ano man tong responsibilities na meron ka or magkakaroon ka in the next 6 months. Okay? So that is your reading, Virgo. Thank you so much. See you again.